guys, so in this video today I'm going to be making some DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So I'm starting out here by doing the painting. So we're going to be using this apple barrel paint in the red and in that Christmas green. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my channels. And I will be linking those down below in the description box. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Talented Creators, and this is being hosted by DIY with Aria and Lowlit Creations. Now they do have a guest, and it's Crafting Away with May. So I'm gonna get some of this painting done and I'll be right back. So these DIYs are like quick and easy. They're also budget friendly, guys, and this is great for family. right, so this has to sit and dry, so we're going to move on over to the next DIY. So these frames that the Dollar Tree carries are really beautiful, and we're going to use that white microfiber cloth and cut it to fit inside that frame. So we're cleaning the glass right now, and we're getting ready to fit that in there, and then we're going to move on over with that white ribbon to making a bow. Now, once I finished with this bow, we only had a little bit left, so I decided to go ahead and make a second one because we never have too much bows, guys. So now I'm going to start putting things together as they dry. And right here, I painted one of the wooden Christmas trees that fit perfectly in front of that frame. So we're going to go ahead and glue that. So now we're gluing a bow. I told you we'd use the second one. We're going to glue that bow right in front of that truck. And I did put the jute twine hanger back on. right, so with this one, we're going to have to glue the jute twine on and let that dry for a second before I go ahead and add that last embellishment. And we are almost ready to head on over to the reveal. Now for this one, I decided to use that moss green color on that gift that we are embellishing with. And I think we're ready, guys. We're going to go ahead and add a little jute twine bow. And I am excited to head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.